This is just a quick overview video of the Transthetics Budgie briefs. Now you'll note that even though this does have a branded waistband, it actually doesn't say Transthetics, it says T-Thetics. I just want to be a little bit stealth about that, and the T-Thetics could really be a reference to any sort of athletics wear. So yeah, I appreciate that there's a lot of guys there that want to be quite stealth and don't want to have Transthetics on their waistband, myself included. Now, what this underwear is designed to be used with is the EZP and EZP Junior Stand-to-P devices. So you'll see that this is an H-slit underwear, which makes it incredibly easy to use with a stand-to-P device. It can be used with a lot of stand-to-P devices that are not Transthetics as well. Basically, you can see that you've got this slit here that you feed it through, and then over the top. And because everything is sort of straight on, it makes it really user-friendly to be used with an STP. The other product that it's designed to be used for is the joystick, and you'll see that that's what this loop in the crotch is for. So usually, you can see there's a little buttonhole here. Usually that loop would just be tucked away in this buttonhole so that you don't feel it. But when you're using it in conjunction with the joystick, this loop comes out, and that goes around the neck of the vibe of the joystick just to keep everything in place. Now, you can also use the budgies with a more generic toy. As long as it's got quite a significantly flared base, you can essentially use this as sort of like the O-ring of standard harnesses. And again, that would just go through here, and yeah, that sort of converts the briefs into a more or less overall harness as well. And it's pretty comfortable to not wear with anything at all. There's no big baggy pouch in the front. So yeah, it's pretty versatile underwear. And yeah, that's it. That's the overview. Thank you so much.